Assalamu alaikum. This video is for class 5 English, day 9. Today we have a topic of collective noun. Collective noun is a word which represents the entire group or collection of noun, as you can understand from its name, collective. So there is a list of noun and collective noun, two lists. What you have to do, firstly you have to learn them all, that which collective noun is used with the particular noun. When you will learn it, so you will be able to solve the exercises. Let's move towards the exercise. In page number 18, there is 3 exercises, 11, 12 and 13. Skip exercise number 11 and come to the exercise number 12. You have to do exercise number 12 in your copy. When you will learn that 2 lists, so you will be able to solve this. You have to write the collective noun of these all, and you will do this exercise, you will copy this exercise in your English grammar copy. And in exercise number 13, you have to write the name of collective noun. For example, there are pictures, just look at these pictures and then mention their collective noun. You will do this exercise number 13 in your book. I hope it will be easy for you. Just try it by yourself. We have learned it so many times, so it will be easy. It is just a review or practice. So firstly learn that list. After learning these lists, you will be able to solve these 2 exercises. Thank you. So our next topic is group names. Group names is a word which represent the same things related to the particular or same field. For example, you can see in exercise number 14, there is written March, June, April and May. These 4 names are name of months. So we say these are month. Month is a word which represents the 12th name from January to December. So month is the group name of these 12 month's name. What you have to do, you have to do exercise number 14 and 16 in your book. How? You have to write the group names of in exercise number 14. These 10 lists are given. You have to read them and then you will write. Let's try it. Number 1, I am explaining potatoes, turnips, carrots and beans. This is very clear. These are vegetables. So you will write vegetable here in the book by making brackets. You have to write the answer in this page. In number 2, chisel, hammer, pincers, pliers. These are the names of tools. These are tools elements, so you will write tool. You will write tool here. Then you have to do this exercise by yourself. Try it, think about it. This is very easy. And if you got any confusion or query, so you can ask me in the next class. After doing exercise number 14, you will do exercise number 16. Skip exercise number 15. Come to the exercise number 16. Here what you have to do, you have to make a circle around the word which is not related with that similar group. For example, captain, corporal, major, colonel, lieutenant. There is a change. Captain, major, colonel and lieutenant. Corporal is out of the place. It is not related from this field. So what you have to do, you have to make the circle around an extra word which is not linked, which is not relating with the similar field. In number 2, cobra, frog, lizard, adder, copra. So the last word is C-O-P-R-A, copra is coconut, and the 4 words are another group related with the another group. So you will have to make the circle around what? Copra. C-O-P-R-A. Understand? Your cousin, shopkeeper. It is not mandatory to show their gender. So these are belong from the common gender. Examples are teacher, cousin, sheep, orphan, baby, pupil. These words are used with the both male or female commonly. Last, nouns which are neither of the male sex nor of the female sex belong to the neuter gender. In neuter gender we have book, door, stone, sky, desk, football, mountain, etc. etc. There is no male or female. These all are neuter. Now you have to do exercise number 22, 23 and 24 from page number 24. These all three exercises will be done in your copy, and you don't have to do the full exercises, just starting 1 to 5 from exercise number 22, 1 to 5 from exercise number 23 and 1 till 5 from exercise number 24. What you have to do, you have to change their feminine to masculine into exercise number 22. In exercise number 23 you have to change every masculine to feminine, and in exercise number 24 you have to insert the word opposite in gender, which is written. Topic is gender. You can see the list given in your book, page number 21. Masculine and feminine. Masculine words are used with the male gender and feminine words are used with the female gender. So firstly you have to learn these two lists, then you will be able to understand or solve the exercises. Here are some points. Look at the sentences below. For the uncle we use he, for auntie we use she, and children can be either male or female, we use it. Shilling is neither male or nor female, it has no sex, so that is why we can represent it by using word it. Nouns which refers to male belong to the masculine gender. Examples are given: man, father, king, son, emperor, postman, etc. Nouns which refers to female belong to the feminine gender. Example: woman, widow, daughter, hen, girl, queen, etc. And noun which refer to either males or females belongs to the common gender. For example, your teacher may be either a man or a woman. Your cousin may be either a boy or a girl. You will not mention here the gender. You just talk about your teacher, you talk about your cousin.